Heat and Air Guys is a one-stop solution for all of your air quality system needs. We specialize in exceeding expectations. Our personalized approach to servicing and repairing high-quality heating and cooling installations ensures your peace of mind. No matter how unique your individual needs are, we can design the most effective and comfortable solution to meet them. Excellence from start to finish is our priority. Top-notch service with a focus on premium standards and the highest level of professionalism drives every project. Our most valuable asset, a rigorous scouting, hiring, and onboarding process, is followed by advanced training that ensures our technicians are the absolute best in the industry. Manufacturers recommend having air quality units serviced by a trusted HVAC company every season. Experience the difference instantly with our elite group of specialists and the very latest and best in certified air quality services. Irregular maintenance is the #1 cause of air conditioner breakdown. Energy.gov states that the most important maintenance task that will ensure the efficiency of your air conditioner is to routinely replace or clean its filters. Clogged, dirty filters block normal airflow and reduce the system's efficiency significantly. Cleaning coils and controls prevents premature breakdown and optimizes the life expectancy of your unit. Regular maintenance improves performance by lessening the strain on your system, which lowers its energy consumption. We are proud to offer 3 maintenance agreements plans with convenient, budget-friendly monthly payments. Each offers priority service, discount offers, free tune-ups, and absolutely no dispatch fees. Our maintenance agreements customers are VIPs, always the very first in line for services. Heat and Air Guys offers peace of mind as well as high-efficiency heating and cooling. We use safe, environmentally friendly cleaning products because of our commitment to our customers, employees, and the planet. When you choose Heat and Air Guys to improve your air quality system, you're getting much more than just the highest level of indoor climate comfort. You're also building a partnership with service experts who will respect your home every step of the way. Heat and Air Guys is here to service all of your installation, maintenance, and repair needs. So the next time you need service, who you gonna call?